Some argue that the imprisonment of minors is not always a bad thing. They argue it should be seen as an educational intervention. Scientific research, however, has shown that incarceration at such a young age inflicts serious, long-term damage on the health of minors. How can this be explained? Well, every person is born with a set of neurons. The neurons of a person leading a normal life in safe circumstances will expand and develop. These little developments, in turn, determine our intelligence, our behaviour, etc. They basically determine who we are. There are many things an 18-year-old can do that an 11-year-old cannot. Like, for example, reflect on abstract things, relativity, philosophy. Brains are also equipped with what we can call a warning or alarm centre, whose main task is to detect any kind of danger. The alarm centre of individuals that have experienced trauma develops in an abnormal manner. It is ceaselessly activated. As a result, it becomes hyperactive and loses its ability to function normally. Exposure to injustice and violence at this crucial stage in life causes severe and often irreparable brain damage. In the occupied Palestinian territory, children are frequently arrested. Their experiences go beyond isolated cases of one-time detentions or punches. Instead, it is the constant exposure to a range of violent experiences. These minors do not understand what is happening to them. They are afraid, feel powerless and abandoned, and have no one around to guarantee their rights. Once they are released from prison, they can no longer tell the difference between safe and unsafe situations. They are constantly suspicious and afraid. And because their parents were not able to protect them from this situation, the vital bond with their family is permanently damaged. These minors risk developing a victim syndrome, or can be inclined to resort to violence to take revenge on the system. Every year, about 700 Palestinian children are imprisoned in Israeli prisons. 700 children whose right to develop is denied. 700 chances lost for peace. However, this situation can change. Click here to help make that change.